Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Class 4, this is your maths period. And as you already know, we have started our topic fractions. And it's page number 57 and question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Students, this is your book work. You have to do this work on your books, okay? And question number A is 1 by 10, 2 by 10 and 9 by 10 are dash fractions. So students, these are like fractions because their denominators are same, so we can say these are like fractions. Now come to the B. It's 1 by 8, 1 by 10, 1 by 12 are dash fractions. As their denominators are not same, they are different, so we can say these fractions are, yes, unlike fractions. These are unlike fractions. Now come to the C. 20 by 32 and 5 by 8 are dash fractions. Yes, they are equivalent fractions. ये कौन सी fractions है students? Equivalent fractions. These are equivalent fractions. Okay. Now come to the D. 3 by 5 is dash then 5 by 6. 3 by 5 is dash then 5 by 6. Students, they are unlike fractions, so we can say 3 by 5 is, स्टूडेंट्स दे आर नॉट इक्वल. तो हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले इसे इक्वल करेंगे और इक्वल करने के बाद इक्वल कैसे करेंगे, हम यहाँ 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और यहाँ 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो अब हमारे पास जो आंसर आएगा वो आएगा 30 और यहाँ पे भी 30 आ जाएगा. 6 5 जा 30, 6 3 जा 6 1 जा 6 6 2 जा 12, 6 3 जा 18, 18 by 30 और सेकेंड 5 5 जा 25. सो स्टूडेंट्स 3 by 5 is smaller than 5 by 6 as 18 by 30 is smaller than 25 by 30. So we will write smaller here. Smaller. Okay. Now students, 2 by 11, 4 by 11, 6 by 11 and 8 by 11 are in dash order. Students, their denominators are same and they are like fractions. और like fractions में जो वैल्यू ग्रेटर है वही ग्रेटर है और जो वैल्यू स्मॉलर है वही स्मॉलर है. सो वी कैन से दीज आर इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे स्मॉलर टू ग्रेटर जा रहे हैं तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे असेंडिंग, ASCENDING, ascending order. Now students, come to the second question and it's page number 58 and question number 2 and 3. Question number 2 is state whether the following are true or false. Now students, it's A. 3 by 11, 3 by 10, 3 by 9, 3 by 4 are in descending order. As students, their denominators are not same, we can say these fractions are unlike fractions. And in unlike fractions, the smaller value will be considered as greatest and the greatest value will be considered as smallest. So this is not in descending order because 3 by 11 जो है वो सबसे smaller consider की जाएगी. So we will write here false. Now second is the reduced form of 5 by 15 is 1 by 3. Yes, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So we can write 1 by 3. So students, this is true. You will write here true. Now C is 3 by 5 is greater than 7 by 10. No students, this is false because by making their denominators same, 3 by 5 will be smaller than 7 by 10. The common denominator of 5 by 6 and 3 by 4 will be 12. So students, yes, it is true. When we will take LCM of the denominators, we will get the answer. We will get our LCM, which is 12. So we will write here true. Now students, come to the E part. Like fractions have the same denominators. Yes, like fractions have the same denominators, as we have already studied about the like fractions. So our next question is question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. The lowest form of 100 by 275 is, we have 4 options here. First is 10 by 5, second is 4 by 15, third is 4 by 11, and fourth one is 20 by 55. So student, the answer will be 4 by 15. हम कटिंग करेंगे 100 और 275 की कटिंग करेंगे. 5 2s are 10 एंड 0 हम एज इट इज़ लिख देंगे. इट मीन्स 5 20s are 100. अब 275 है स्टूडेंट्स. 5 5s are 25 एंड अगेन 5 5s are 25. तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 20 by 55. अगेन कटिंग करेंगे 5 से ही. 5 4s are 20 and 5 11s are 55. So our answer is 4 by 11. Now student, come to the B part. It's 2 by 9, 1 by 4, 7 by 12 arranged in descending order are. Students, इसमें हमने सबसे पहले अपने डिनोमिनेटर्स को सेम करना होता है. जब हम डिनोमिनेटर सेम कर लेंगे तो हमें पता चल जाएगा कौन सी वैल्यू सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट है. तो इसमें हमारा जो आंसर है वो 7 by 12 है, 1 by 4, 2 by 9. इट मीन्स बी ऑप्शन. ये बी ऑप्शन है हमारा. The reduced form of 128 by 336 is, हम सॉल्व करके देख लेते हैं क्या आंसर है. Yes, 128 by 336. कटिंग करेंगे as both the numbers are even numbers. So students, to 6 are 12, to 4s are 8, it's 64 here. And now 336, to 1s are 2, to 6 are 12, and to 8s are 16. Now students, again cutting करेंगे 2 से ही. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, okay, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Now again कटिंग करेंगे हम कटिंग करेंगे 4 से. 4 8s are 32 and 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. Now we have 8 by 21. So our answer will be 8 by 21. Next हमारे पास है 15 by 64 and 3 by 8 are. तो स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे पास 4 ऑप्शंस हैं: इक्वल फ्रैक्शंस, लाइक फ्रैक्शंस, इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस एंड अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस. आवर आंसर विल बी unlike fractions because their denominators are not same. And E part is unlike fractions have different denominators. तो obvious है, तो unlike fractions have different denominators. Clear? Now students, it's improper fractions. सॉरी, यहाँ पे रिटन रॉन्ग हो गया. इट्स फ्रैक्शंस, इट्स नॉट पी, इट्स एफ. इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस. सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट आर इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस? अ फ्रैक्शन हुज न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू इट्स न्यूमरेटर, वी कैन से दैट फ्रैक्शन इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ऐसी फ्रैक्शन जिसका न्यूमरेटर उसके ग्रेटर से उसके डिनोमिनेटर से या तो ग्रेटर हो या उसके इक्वल हो, तो हम कहते हैं ऐसी फ्रैक्शंस इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस है. लाइक हमारे पास एग्जांपल है 15 by 7, 23 by 8, और 7/7 और 3/3, ये सारी एग्जाम्पल्स जो है हमारे पास इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन की एग्जाम्पल्स आ जाती हैं. नाउ कम टू द प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस. A fraction whose numerator is smaller than its denominator, we can say that fraction is proper fraction. So students, the example is 3/10. Here the numerator is smaller than denominator. Like 2/8. Here the numerator is smaller than denominator. So these are proper fractions. Now students, what are mixed numbers? Students, a mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Like I am giving you example here, 3 1/2. Here 3 is a whole number and 1/2 is a proper fraction. Clear students? So this is a mixed number and you have to, when you want to open a mixed number, you will multiply 2 with 3, denominator with the whole number, and then we will get the answer, and then we will add that answer with the numerator. Clear? Like 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 we will get 7. So we will get 7/2. After opening any mixed number, we will get a fraction, and that fraction will be called improper fraction. Improper fraction. Now students, come to your homework. It's page number 63, question number 6 and 7. This is your homework. Change these mixed numbers into improper fraction. Students, I have already told you कि आपने कैसे mixed numbers को improper fraction में change करना है. पहले आपने डिनोमिनेटर को होल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और फिर जो आंसर आएगा आपने उसमें न्यूमरेटर को ऐड कर देना है. लाइक 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 we will get 13. So we will get here 13/4. This is improper fraction, and improper fraction is that fraction whose numerator is greater than its denominator. And the next question is change these into mixed numbers. Students, whenever we have to change any fraction into mixed number, we multiply the numerator with the denominator. Like multiply 9/2. Students, 2 4s are 8, and 9 minus 8 we will get 1. 1 is the remainder. We will write 1 as numerator, 4 as whole number, and 2 as denominator. So this is our mixed fraction. Question number 6 and question number 7 is your homework on your book, and you have to do it on your book. Students, I hope you have understood the concept and enjoyed it. So take care and Allah Hafiz.